Welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I love to inspire you with mixed media, painting, collage, assemblage and anything else that looks interesting for me. And by the way, if you have a suggestion what you would like to see, just leave a comment down below. Maybe I come up with something just for you. In this episode I'm working again for the mail art collaboration Change of the Season, so welcome back. Our group does make backgrounds which goes with the fall theme in the size of a postcard and then send it off. Then each artist completes the background however they want. So join me first while I do the background and then how I finish my received postcards. As you can see, I did start on some red mixed media paper and started dropping ink. I did use the Dr. P. Martins and some Liquitex inks, but any brand would work. Now enjoy my process. I will step in when I have to say something. For the moment I turn the music on. Now that the paper is dry again, I can go in with some stamping. I use the StazOn ink in black and some leaf stamps. My next step was adding some gold modeling paste through a stencil. After all, we are talking about the golden fall, aren't we? I also went around the already cut postcards with a black marker and then mounted it onto some black cardstock. And here I am with the beautiful background from Linda Israel. I decided to stamp on a white layer of a napkin. To glue down the napkin, I use Liquitex Matte Medium Liquid. To make the stamp a bit more visible, I use a black marker. I still wasn't quite happy, so I used white gesso around the stamp just to make it pop even more. So I'm not sure how much my camera picked up. It seems she did stop in the middle of filming, so I have to explain you what I did. So I did use this stamp on some mixed media paper, and I did color it in with the Aqua Spectrum Noir markers. I also added some blinks, some gears and whatnot, and to make them match, because they were silver and gold, I did use the Spectrum Noir alcohol marker. You can color any metal or plastic easily with the alcohol markers. Instead of gluing them, I did use the crackle paste from Viva. It acts as the glue too, so I expect it to crackle in these places, and it's gonna hold my embellishment. I'm sorry about that, but it seems the camera didn't want it to film. Oh well. And now on to Shell's card. It was the only card that didn't have texture on it, so I could risk it to stamp directly. I still made sure that I had a juicy ink pad and that I gave a good press and enough time to transfer the ink. I knew from the beginning that I wanted to do something called negative painting, so I went around the stamp with some white gesso, this time with a brush. Later I'm gonna outline and redraw some of the lines with the black marker. For my own card, I did stamp again on some mixed media paper and then colored in with the aqua markers. And as you can see here, sometimes you have to redo. Not a big deal, just turn over the paper and try again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and why not subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to hop to the next video. The list with the links is in the description box down below the video.